In 2005, Henna Sooq was born in Montreal, Canada. I only had about $150 to invest to start this business, so I bought 50 boxes of Jamila henna powder and started building the very first website. And at the time, I had 4 children. They were all under the age of 6. But even with all the chaos of mom life, I knew I was starting something incredible. As I stepped into this Moroccan shop in Montreal and got my very first pouch of Moroccan henna powder, I was completely in love with everything. And I decided to take a henna body art workshop, which started the creativity, and all the lights and the bells and whistles went off in my head. I need to start doing this for my community, for my people. Now, 17 years later, I am a leading expert in henna and Ayurvedic healthy hair care, and my mission is to empower both women and men to make healthy life choices by giving them the tools through the health and wellness of henna and natural herbal ingredients. In 2022, when that pandemic hit, we really had to get creative. And luckily, I had a few things in mind before it really hit hard. We really stepped it up with these hair regimen courses that not only helped our business survive, but to thrive. And it's all thanks to our incredible community. And because it was such a hard time, we were really there for people who were at home. They couldn't go to a stylist and they couldn't get their hair colored. And they were looking for natural alternatives to coloring their hair, and also to naturally care for their hair, doing regular regimen treatments on their wash days. And we had exactly what our community needed. The past year has been quite a challenge because we have been working tirelessly behind the scenes to bring you brand new branding with a new website, beautiful new packaging, brand new products. And you know what the best part is? We are going to be opening a physical space in Columbia, Maryland, where you get to experience henna firsthand with services and products right at your fingertips. Recently, I went back to Montreal where it all began, and we were showcasing our brand new products, and it was such a full circle moment. We are so thankful to our community. We are only going up from here.